Welcome to today's Forestry Tech Showcase, where innovation meets power. In this special feature, we explore two impressive wood splitting machines, each with a unique build and purpose, designed to handle even the toughest logs with unmatched precision and force. The process begins with the operator manually or mechanically positioning large, round logs onto the input tray, or the platform of the splitter. These logs are usually pre-cut tree trunks or thick timber, typically ranging in length from 30 to 100 centimeters, and in varying diameters depending on the type of wood, e.g., hardwood like oak or softwood like spruce. Some splitters may feature a mechanical lifter or hoist arm, which helps in loading particularly heavy logs, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing safety. Once a log is loaded onto the splitter's cradle or tray, the operator carefully aligns it with the central splitting wedge. Proper alignment is critical to ensure a clean and efficient split. The log is typically placed against a firm backstop so it doesn't move when the ram is activated. At this stage, the operator activates the hydraulic system using a lever or control handle. The hydraulic piston, or ram, slowly moves forward, driving the log into a stationary steel splitting wedge, or cross wedge, depending on configuration. The hydraulic system in Irwin Benz's machine operates at high pressure, providing significant force to split even the most stubborn logs. The speed of the ram is usually adjustable, slower for denser or knottier logs, and faster for lighter ones. The smoothness and power of the system are clearly visible in the video, with the splitter cutting through logs like butter. Splitting action. Depending on the configuration, a single vertical wedge splits the log into two halves. A cross-shaped wedge can divide the log into 4/4 in one pass. Some splitters may have adjustable or replaceable wedges for different splitting patterns. The machine in the video demonstrates precise, centered splits, even through knotted or irregular wood. The wedge applies steady pressure until the log fractures cleanly. The design ensures that the split pieces fall away to the sides or onto a collecting surface. Once the log is split, the hydraulic ram automatically or manually retracts back to its starting position. This resets the machine for the next cycle. The split wood pieces are either manually collected or fall into a bin or trailer for stacking and drying. The video shows a one-man operation where the process is repeated with rhythm and efficiency. Load, align, split, clear, repeat. The entire workflow is designed for minimal downtime, making it suitable for splitting large volumes of firewood over extended work sessions. Key advantages shown in the video: heavy-duty frame capable of withstanding continuous operation without deformation. High-pressure hydraulics, powerful enough for dense and knotted hardwoods. Low manual labor, reduces strain on the operator. Clean and consistent splits, minimizes waste. Ideal for firewood production. Customization potential. Since it's homemade, it can be upgraded with more automation, e.g., log lifters, conveyors. Video is not just a display of raw mechanical power, it's a demonstration of clever engineering and practical functionality. Whether you are a firewood producer, a forestry enthusiast, or just interested in homemade machinery, this splitter shows how productivity, durability, and simplicity can be combined into an effective tool for wood processing. Now, let's move from homemade ingenuity to engineered excellence as we take a closer look at the Sliver V by Tempest Wood Splitters, a commercial-grade splitter built for speed, consistency, and high-volume productivity. Now we turn our attention to the Sliver V from Tempest Wood Splitters, a powerful, commercial-grade wood processing machine designed for high-volume firewood production. Right from the start, you'll notice how every component of this machine is built for professional use. The Sliver V is not a typical log splitter. It's a complete, integrated system engineered to move, cut, split, and stack wood with minimal human effort. The process begins with a log deck, where full-length logs are staged and queued for processing. This section is often equipped with hydraulically driven rollers or gravity feed rails, which guide each log into the feeder. The operator barely needs to lift a finger. The machine manages the material flow automatically. Once the log reaches the feed area, a strong hydraulic pusher arm presses it forward into a guillotine-style circular saw or high-speed blade. This saw precisely cuts the log into sections, known as billets. The blade is large, fast, and extremely sharp, slicing cleanly through even tough, knotty wood. After cutting, each billet drops directly into the splitting chamber. And here's where the real power of the Sliver V shines. Using a vertical hydraulic ram and a heavy-duty steel wedge, the machine splits each billet into 2, 4, or even 6 uniform pieces, depending on the wedge configuration. This splitting system is efficient and repeatable. With every downward stroke, the machine produces firewood that is evenly sized and ready for drying or bundling. And because the splitting wedge is vertically oriented, gravity helps ensure smooth movement and consistent pressure with every cycle. Next, a built-in conveyor belt catches the split wood and transports it to a nearby bin, trailer, or storage area. This continuous workflow means the machine can keep running without constant operator attention. It also keeps the worksite organized and clean. In the video, you can see how streamlined the operation is. The operator uses a simple joystick or foot pedal to control the machine. Every stage, feeding, cutting, splitting, and conveying, flows smoothly from one to the next, with very little downtime between cycles. One of the key strengths of the Sliver V is its consistency. Every log, regardless of size or species, is processed into firewood that meets the same dimensions and quality standards. That makes it ideal for businesses selling bundled wood or operating in retail firewood supply. From a safety perspective, the machine includes several features such as guards, emergency stop buttons, and controlled hydraulic flow, minimizing risk while maximizing output. This is more than just a splitter. It's a professional-grade production system. The Sliver V combines speed, automation, and smart design to deliver serious results. For any firewood business or industrial operation looking to increase efficiency, and reduce labor costs, this machine is a serious contender. That wraps up today's look at two incredible wood splitting machines, each showing a different approach to tackling the same challenge, turning raw logs into usable firewood with strength, precision, and efficiency. From homemade craftsmanship to industrial power, we hope this video gave you a deeper understanding of how these machines work and what makes them so effective in the field. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more forestry tech, machine reviews, and behind-the-scenes looks at real wood processing in action. Got a favorite moment or machine? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep splitting smart.